So now we are going to add Bootstrap in our application. So first of all, I have downloaded Bootstrap file. So I'll copy this file and open my post application folder and create static folder and paste here bootstrap.min.css css file, and in all templates I have to define the links. So here I will bootstrap.min.css. So first of all I will check on home page. So home page, not static. Oh. So before using static, we need to load static helper at the top of the file. So this is working. You can see that the font has been changed. So it's basically our bootstrap has been loaded. So now we make this template more beautiful, or you can say more eye-catching. So in container I will create card. Please explore Bootstrap on their official website to make the UI more beautiful and responsive. So this is our post title, and card body we will add our post detail, card text. This is our post detail, and I will make this margin top bottom 4. So this is our post title and this is our post detail. So similarly I will copy this and this will show like this. Now we need to margin with the post my3. Now this looks beautiful. So we have created our all post articles. We will define heading h3 all posts. So now we will design our add template and then update template. So I will copy this container. Add post, and here I will put add post, and in the card body I will create a table. Before table I will put the form. In this table we will create two fields. First is title and another is our input text. So now we will, if we access the add, we need to add bootstrap in this file also. Static, need to load static. So this is our add template. So this is our add template. One more field we will define, and this will our text area. And in the last I will define the submit button. So now this is our add template. Similarly, we will copy this template into the update template, because update and add template will same. In the update template we will fetch the specific post data, so the UI will be same. So now when we access update 1, this will show we need to change the